Title: The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a mischievous young boy named Peter. Peter was known for his wild imagination and love for playful pranks. He lived with his parents and a flock of sheep that they tended to. Each day, Peter would take the sheep to graze in the hills. However, instead of diligently watching over them, he would often get bored and restless. Seeking excitement, he devised a cunning plan to add some thrill to his days. He decided to pretend there was a wolf nearby, just to see how the villagers would react. One sunny afternoon, while the sheep were grazing peacefully, Peter climbed to the top of a large rock and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf?" A big, ferocious wolf is attacking the sheep. Hearing his cries, the villagers rushed to his aid, carrying pitchforks and sticks. They were worried about their precious flock and the safety of the mischievous boy they all loved despite his pranks. But when they reached the meadow, they found nothing but sheep grazing quietly. Peter laughed heartily. It was just a prank. There was no wolf. The villagers were not pleased with Peter's antics. They scolded him for wasting their time and causing unnecessary panic. Still, they forgave him, thinking he was just a playful child. Days passed, and Peter couldn't resist the temptation to repeat his prank. Once again, he climbed the rock and cried, "Wolf! Wolf? Come quickly, the wolf is attacking the sheep." The villagers, though a bit hesitant, rushed to his aid again, fearing for the safety of their sheep. But when they arrived, they found no sign of a wolf. Peter was laughing so hard that tears rolled down his cheeks. The villagers were now upset with Peter's irresponsible behavior. They warned him that if he pulled such a prank again, they wouldn't believe him even if there was a real wolf. However, Peter ignored their warnings and continued to play his pranks. One fateful day, while the villagers were busy with their daily chores, a genuine danger lurked nearby. A large, hungry wolf had indeed spotted the sheep. This time, Peter was not playing a prank, but he had lost the trust of the villagers. As the wolf drew closer, Peter climbed the rock once again and cried out, "Wolf! Wolf? Please help, this time it's real." However, the villagers had learned their lesson. They thought it was just another one of Peter's lies and ignored his plea, believing he was up to his tricks once more. The wolf seized the opportunity and attacked the flock of sheep, scattering them in all directions. The villagers heard the commotion but still did not come to Peter's aid. Peter realized his mistake and felt remorseful. He regretted crying wolf when there was none and understood the consequences of his dishonesty. He knew he had lost the trust of the villagers and put his sheep in real danger. After the wolf finally left, Peter went back to the village, tears streaming down his face. He apologized to the villagers, explaining that this time it was the truth, but they no longer believed him. From that day on, Peter learned a valuable lesson about honesty and trust. He vowed never to lie again and spent the rest of his days taking care of the remaining sheep. Over time, with consistent honesty and responsibility, Peter eventually regained the villagers' trust. The tale of the boy who cried wolf spread across the land, becoming a lesson for children everywhere. It taught them the importance of truthfulness, responsibility, and the value of trust in maintaining strong relationships with others. And so, the mischievous boy, Peter, grew into a wise and dependable young man, cherished by all who knew him.